So I'm about to get ready. We are gonna go to Target again. We're always going to Target. I mean, that's pretty much like the only place we can go to nowadays. So we're gonna go to Target because we ran out of Christmas wrapping paper. So we're gonna go get some more. We tried ordering online for pickup, but they said that the gift wrapping paper that we want is not available for pickup, but they do have it in stock. So we're gonna have to actually go inside to look for the gift wrapping paper. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. I wanted to do a tutorial because I did get the Raw Beauty Crusty at Forest Sight palette, and actually haven't filmed a video with the palette. So I kind of want to just film a video using the palette. So I'm just gonna create an eyeshadow look with this, but I'm gonna edit it and put it up on my channel for you guys. I did use the Super Shock Shadow already, and it is so pretty. This one is like a moss. I will be right back once I finish my makeup. It is sunny. It's 66 today, and like the past week it was like in the 50s. The weather is crazy. As you guys can see, I finished my makeup, but we're already on our way. Much better. And then I do have to stop by Ulta really quick. And then, I don't know, I might grab something to eat. So I just got my package from Bed Bath & Beyond. I ordered a couple more things for home decor. The shipping took kind of long, but it's finally here. And I ordered these really cute Christmas trees to put on the dining table. Okay guys, so here are the little Christmas trees that I ordered. They're ceramic. I didn't want anything with glitter. I also have these on the table that I got from Target, and these also don't have any glitter, so they're perfect and they won't create a mess. Yeah, they're really, really cute. So I felt like they went really good here on the table. These are actually placemats that I put underneath. I actually ordered a table runner, but yeah, this is so cute, and it was only $10 for the 3 Christmas trees. And then I want to show you guys the table runner that I ordered from Bed Bath & Beyond too. I was waiting for this as well. We had a different table runner, but I didn't like it anymore, so I wanted a new one, and I found this one. It's really cute. It has Christmas trees. I'll show you guys how it looks with everything on top of it. Another thing that I ordered from Bed Bath & Beyond is this cheese board. So I really wanted a cheese board to create one of those charcuterie boards. I don't know how you pronounce it. Those cheese boards that you see online everywhere, snacks. I really wanted one for Christmas. I want to make one. Honestly, it wasn't even that expensive. I think it was under $30, which is a really, really great deal. And it is actually a pretty long board. So I feel like it's the perfect size. I like that it's long, and yeah, it's actually really, really nice. So I'm glad that I went with this one. This is the brand. You can also turn it around, and then the other side is just one color. So the table runner turned out to be a little bit long, but it's actually really, really pretty. It does have creases, but it's okay because the creases are going to go away like over time, so that's fine. But I wanted to show you guys how the table looked after I put the table runner and all of the decor on the tables. And we actually just purchased these plates. It was just like an impulse buy from Target, and these are the hearth and hand plates. They have so many nice things for the kitchen and home, and we didn't have any Christmas plates, and Alfred wanted some Christmas plates, and I actually really like these, and so we bought all 3 of the plates. So as you guys can see, so this one is basically like a dinner plate, and we just really, really like the quality of these plates. They're very rustic and really nice for the house, very different as well. This one's a salad plate, and it has like these details, so nice. And then this one, because it has a Christmas tree, and this one is an appetizer plate. But yeah, we just really, really love them. I'm gonna put some silverware here as well to go with the plates. So this is currently how it looks, and I'm really, really happy how it turned out. I had no idea what I was gonna do, but this is what I came up with. We actually got these garland pieces. There are 2 pieces that I put together from Walmart. For now, I think it looks good like this. Really happy. Y'all, so Alfred knows how much I like The Mandalorian and The Child. So he got this for me. They have this one at Target and it is honestly the best child I've seen. Like I've been wanting one of these since they started coming out. Look at it. Obviously, if you're not into Star Wars, you're probably not going to know what I'm talking about, but if you do, this is the child. He's so cute. So today we're gonna make some pozole. We got the recipe from Alfred's mom. He called her. So we're gonna attempt to make it and see how it comes out. But yeah, we got everything out here. I always make such a big mess when I'm cooking, but that is just how I work. I create a mess and then I clean it up afterwards. She said this hominy is the best one for pozole because it's soft. We did try to make pozole one time. It didn't come out quite like hers, but we did use a different hominy and it came out kind of hard. And then she also gave us this menudo mix because this is what she uses. Yeah, hopefully it comes out good. Well, guys, it is looking pretty good actually. We did taste it and it did need some salt, so I added salt. Looks good. And this is it, you guys. It actually came out pretty good. And now we know how to make pozole. You guys, look what came in the mail today. I ordered one of the new Desi sunglasses from her Desnudo collection. Just want to unbox it here with you guys. I ordered one of her first sunglasses from the first collection. They didn't come in a box like this, so this is pretty nice. I guess like they're gonna give these as a Christmas present. It's easier to wrap them with the wrapping paper. Oh, look at that. Okay, so these are the, I don't even remember which ones they were. They are the Read the Room Clay Charcoal Faded. So these are Read the Room sunglasses. And they're in clay. And oh my god, they're so nice. Here they are. Wow. They're so nice, you guys. These are so nice. Oh my gosh. It says Read the Room. The mirror's right here, so. They actually go with my hat right now. Ooh. Yeah. I like them.